Is your digital wallet feeling a little empty? And you're wondering if that shiny new Beam wallet can actually, hold some of your hard-earned cash? If you've been exploring the world of cryptocurrency and digital assets, you've probably come across Beam, a privacy-focused blockchain. It offers a secure and confidential way to manage your digital funds, but a common question that pops up, especially for newcomers, is can I actually deposit traditional money, like Naira or dollars, directly into my Beam wallet? It's a valid question, and one that highlights a key distinction between traditional banking and the decentralized world of cryptocurrency. Think of your Beam wallet not like a bank account, but more like a secure, digital vault specifically designed for Beam coins and other compatible digital assets. This distinction is crucial for understanding how to get funds into your Beam wallet. So, let's cut to the chase. You cannot directly deposit fiat currency, that's your Naira, dollars, euros, or any other traditional government-issued money, straight into your Beam wallet. Unlike a mobile banking app where you can link your debit card and transfer money from your bank account, Beam Wallet is built for the blockchain ecosystem. It operates on a different fundamental principle. This means you can't walk into a physical bank branch and say, I'd like to deposit 50,000 Nigerian Nairas into my Beam Wallet, please. Similarly, you won't find an option within the Beam Wallet app itself to directly connect to your bank account and initiate a transfer of fiat currency. Now, before you get discouraged, this absolutely doesn't mean you can't get value into your Beam wallet. It just means the process involves a few extra steps, leveraging the existing cryptocurrency infrastructure. The primary way to get funds into your Beam wallet is by acquiring Beam coins, Beam, or other supported cryptocurrencies. How do you do that? The most common method is through a cryptocurrency exchange. These are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade various digital currencies. Many exchanges allow you to fund your account using traditional payment methods like bank transfers, debit/credit cards, or even peer-to-peer, P2P, transactions. Here's a simplified breakdown of the typical process. First, you'd register and verify an account on a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports Beam. Popular exchanges include Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, and many others, though availability can vary by region. Second, once your exchange account is set up and verified, you deposit your fiat currency, e.g., Naira, into your exchange account using one of their supported deposit methods. Third, after your fiat currency has arrived on the exchange, you would then use it to purchase Beam coins, Beam. You'd look for a trading pair like Beam/NGN, if available, Beam/USDT, or Beam/BTC, depending on what's offered by the exchange and your preferred funding method. Finally, once you've purchased your Beam coins on the exchange, you can then withdraw them from the exchange to your personal Beam wallet. This is where your Beam wallet address comes in. It's like your account number for receiving Beam. You'll simply copy your Beam wallet address from your app and paste it into the withdrawal section of the exchange. It's a multi-step process, but it's the standard way of bridging the gap between traditional money and decentralized cryptocurrencies like Beam. Always remember to double-check addresses when transferring crypto. A wrong address can lead to irreversible loss of funds. So, while you can't directly deposit fiat into your Beam wallet, you absolutely can get value into it by first converting your traditional currency into Beam on a cryptocurrency exchange and then transferring those Beam coins to your wallet. It's an important distinction that empowers you to navigate the world of digital assets more effectively. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.